Meet Brad. Any minute now, he expects a handyman at his house. But that's alright, he doesn't have to be there to open the door. He has Altrosmart. His Altrosmart locks can also detect when authorized smartphones are near and automatically unlock the door, which means Brad does not have to unlock his door with a key. It's super simple. Altrosmart's built-in Wi-Fi connects Brad to his home network and enables him to access it remotely from anywhere. Altrosmart comes with motion detection. Brad can be immediately alerted when someone is at his front door. Altrosmart has one-way HD video and two-way audio, and also offers encrypted cloud video backup. Another important feature with the Altro app, he can always know whether or not his wife and kids are home. Yep, looks like they got home safely today. His Altrosmart can even give customized passcodes to all his friends and trusted visitors. Oh, looks like his friend is coming home to watch tonight's game. No worries, Brad sends him a passcode to open the door. Altrosmart, a unique next-generation smart lock with integrated video doorbell. It's smart, secure, and connected. Altrosmart, for total peace of mind and complete control. For you, for your family.